just finished making these adorable Christmas angel tree ornaments, and I'm going to show you just how I made them. I picked up a few of these items at Michael's, and this was really cool, this box of Kid Made Modern, and of course some wooden beads. And then from the Dollar Tree, I happened to pick up more wooden beads for the little hands. And I cut out these 2 circles using a CD as a template, and then a bowl. You can use any size you want, depending on what size angel you want to make. So now, in order to make these yo-yos, what I'm doing is folding over a little less than ½ an inch of the edge of the circle, and I'm doing a large quick basting stitch all the way around. And then you'll see how I pull it together and it just cinches, and I close it up with an end off knot. Once these are in place, I'm going to glue my vintage spool right there on top. I'm cutting the top of the dress now, and there's really no specific size, so you can just keep cutting until you like what your top of the angel looks like. And I am using pinking shears. And there were so many creative ways to use all these little things in the box from Michael's. I love it. But I just decided to use one of these clear crystal-like beads and the rope that was in there, or really this gold string. And it really makes the perfect ornament. I've decided to add a rhinestone because some of the hot glue just dripped under the face there, or the chin, and it's a perfect little spot for it. Now I'm going to make the halo of the angel. Next, for the wings. So for these wings here, these pieces were clouds and they worked out perfectly. And these here, I just cut these out and I'll show you how I did it. I did go ahead and sketch it beforehand, but you can make your wings look like anything. And I want gold on the front and back, so when the ornament turns around on the tree, if it turns around, you won't see the white paper but gold on both sides. And that's how I made this Christmas angel tree ornament. So if you really enjoyed this video and are looking to make other ornaments, go ahead and check out the video on the screen here on how I make these other adorable ornaments for my tree. Thanks for watching.